The longbow. The longbow is another tool that came out of multiple client requests. This tool is designed specifically to act as an HB grip plug in a long radius elbow. What we had were a lot of requests from fabrication and module yards where the piping spools as designed were terminating at a long radius elbow, and so the fabrication shop or the module yard couldn't use a grip plug for the end of the pipe like an HP grip plug because it terminated at an elbow. And so what we did is we kind of sketched out the grip capabilities of an HP plug, and we took the miter mandrel concept in field machining for end prep tools and combined them together to create this tool to be able to hydro test when your spool piece terminates on a long radius